Hello everyone and welcome back to our Old Charles. Today we are diving deep into the fascinating world of United States coins, and in particular we are going to explore the 1974 Kennedy half-dollar, a coin that has captured the interest of collectors and numismatists around the world for decades. The Kennedy half-dollar was first introduced in 1964 shortly after the assassination of President John F. Kennedy, and it quickly became an iconic piece of American currency known not only for its striking design but also for its historical significance. The obverse of the coin features a profile portrait of President Kennedy designed by Gilroy Roberts, while the reverse showcases a modified version of the presidential seal designed by Frank Gasparro. The 1974 Kennedy half-dollar is particularly interesting because it was produced during a period when the composition of the coin had shifted from the original 90% silver in 1964 to a copper-nickel-clad composition in 1971. This means that the 1974 coins contain no silver but still maintain the beautiful design that collectors love, and the coin is composed of an outer layer of 75% copper and 25% nickel bonded to a pure copper core. When it comes to the value of the 1974 Kennedy half-dollar, there are several factors that need to be considered, including the condition of the coin, whether it has been circulated, the mint mark, and whether it is a special proof version. The most common 1974 Kennedy half-dollars were minted in Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco, and unless the coin is in exceptional uncirculated condition or a special proof strike, the typical value ranges from about 50 cents to $2 in the regular circulated coins. Collectors, however, are often willing to pay more for coins that have been well preserved or have unique features such as striking errors or rare die variations. The proof versions of the 1974 Kennedy half-dollar, which were struck in San Francisco, are especially sought after because they exhibit a mirror-like finish and sharp detail that makes them stand out among other coins. The value of these proof coins can range from $5 to over $20 depending on the quality and the presence of original packaging from the mint. In addition to the traditional evaluation based on condition and mint mark, it is also important to recognize the historical and sentimental value of the 1974 Kennedy half-dollar, as it represents a period of change in United States coinage when the country fully transitioned from silver to clad coins for the half-dollar denomination, and it also reflects the enduring legacy of President Kennedy, whose image has become synonymous with this coin. Collectors and enthusiasts often enjoy hunting for these coins in circulation rolls at banks or in old coin collections, as they provide a tangible connection to the 1970s era of American history. The coin remains popular among both beginner collectors who appreciate its affordability and seasoned numismatists who value it for its design and historical significance. When storing and caring for your 1974 Kennedy half-dollar, it is crucial to handle the coin properly to maintain its value. Avoid touching the surface with bare hands. Use cotton gloves and store the coin in protective holders or coin flips to prevent scratches and tarnish. While the copper-nickel composition is resistant to corrosion, it can still be affected by improper handling and environmental factors such as humidity and air pollution. Collectors often recommend storing coins in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to preserve their luster and condition. So whether you are just starting your coin collection or you are a seasoned collector looking to expand your Kennedy half-dollar portfolio, the 1974 issue offers a wonderful opportunity to own a piece of history that is both accessible and meaningful. It is a coin that tells a story of a nation in transition, the enduring legacy of a beloved president, and the fascinating world of numismatics that continues to captivate people of all ages. We hope this in-depth exploration has given you a better understanding of the 1974 Kennedy half-dollar, its value, and why it remains a cherished coin for collectors around the world. We are going to explore the fascinating history of the 1974 Kennedy half-dollar, a coin that is not only a piece of currency but also a symbol of American history and heritage. The Kennedy half-dollar was first introduced in 1964 following the tragic assassination of President John F. Kennedy on November 22, 1963. At the young age of 43, the nation was in mourning, and there was a widespread desire to honor the late president in a lasting and meaningful way. The United States Mint quickly responded by designing a new half-dollar coin that would bear the portrait of Kennedy, and it became an instant tribute to the fallen leader. The obverse of the Kennedy half-dollar was designed by Gilroy Roberts, who was the chief engraver of the United States Mint at the time, and it features a profile portrait of President Kennedy looking to the left. This design was chosen to capture the strength, dignity, and youthful optimism of Kennedy, and it quickly became one of the most recognizable coin designs in American history. The reverse of the coin was created by Frank Gasparro, and it features a modified version of the presidential seal, which includes a heraldic eagle holding a bundle of arrows and an olive branch with a circle of stars above representing the original 13 colonies. This design was carefully chosen to symbolize both the strength and the peaceful intentions of the United States. The first Kennedy half-dollars issued in 1964 were made of 90% silver and 10% copper, which gave evolving in its coinage practices, and the public continue to honor the memory of a leader who had inspired hope and optimism. Collectors today value the 1974 Kennedy half-dollar not only for its face value but also for the story it tells about the United States in the 1970s, the transition from silver to clad coins, and the enduring respect for President Kennedy. The coin remains a popular choice for new collectors as well as seasoned numismatists who appreciate its design and historical context. Handling the coin carefully, storing it properly, and understanding its place in history allows collectors to preserve a small piece of American heritage that carries the memory of a president whose impact continues to resonate today. The history of the 1974 Kennedy half-dollar is therefore a story of innovation, tribute, and remembrance. It reflects the grief of a nation, the skill and artistry of the United States Mint, and the ongoing appreciation for President John F. Kennedy. It is a coin that connects generations, reminds us of a pivotal time in American history, and continues to inspire collectors around the world to seek out and preserve these tangible links to the past. We are going to take an in-depth look at the 1974 Kennedy half-dollar and specifically how its condition impacts its value and collectability. The condition of a coin is one of the most important factors for collectors because it determines not only how much the coin is worth but also how desirable it is for a collection. When discussing condition, numismatists often refer to a grading scale that ranges from poor to mint state, with intermediate levels such as good, very good, fine, very fine, extremely fine, and about uncirculated. Each level represents a range of wear and preservation on the coin, and understanding these distinctions can help collectors make informed decisions when buying, selling, or valuing their coins. A circulated 1974 Kennedy half-dollar will show signs of wear from handling and use over time. This might include flattened details on President Kennedy's hair and facial features on the obverse. The eagle and shield on the reverse may appear worn or less defined. The edges of the coin may have nicks or small dents, and the overall luster will be diminished due to contact with other coins or surfaces. Circulated coins in lower grades such as good or very good are generally worth little more than their face value, or slightly higher depending on the demand from collectors. However, coins in fine to extremely fine condition are more desirable because the details are still visible and the coin retains some of its original appeal. Uncirculated coins or coins in mint state represent the highest standard of preservation. These coins show no signs of wear and the design elements are sharp and well defined. The surface may exhibit original mint luster and the coin should be free from significant scratches or blemishes. Uncirculated 1974 Kennedy half-dollars are more valuable and can range from a few dollars for standard issues to higher amounts for proof or exceptionally preserved specimens. Collectors often pay close attention to specific areas such as the sharpness of Kennedy's hair, the clarity of the presidential seal on the reverse, and the absence of marks or discoloration when determining the grade. Proof versions of the 1974 Kennedy half-dollar are another category where condition is paramount. Proof coins were specially struck at the San Francisco Mint for collectors and feature a mirror-like finish with frosted design elements. The sharpness and reflectivity of these coins make them highly attractive, but they must be handled carefully to preserve their pristine condition. Even minor scratches, fingerprints, or exposure to moisture can reduce their value significantly. Therefore, proof coins are typically stored in protective packaging or coin holders to maintain their quality. Proper care and storage are essential for preserving the condition of your 1974 Kennedy half-dollar. To protect your coins, always handle them by the edges, never touch the surfaces directly, and use cotton gloves if possible. Store your coins in acid-free holders, flips, or capsules in a cool, dry environment away from direct sunlight and humidity. This prevents tarnish, corrosion, and other damage that can occur over time. Collectors also recommend avoiding cleaning coins with chemicals or abrasives, as this can significantly reduce their value and is generally frowned upon in the numismatic community. Understanding the condition of your 1974 Kennedy half-dollar also helps when buying or selling coins, whether you are looking to start a collection or expand an existing one. Knowing the grading standards allows you to assess the value accurately. Neglecting condition can lead to overpaying for a worn coin or undervaluing a beautifully preserved Specimen. By examining the coin carefully, looking for wear marks, scratches, discoloration and overall sharpness of design, you can make better decisions and enjoy collecting with confidence. In summary, the condition of a 1974 Kennedy half dollar is a key factor in its value and collectability. Coins range from heavily worn circulated examples to pristine uncirculated and proof specimens. Each grade has